Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new, welcome to my channel.
In today's session, let us see Jainism. Jainism is one of a very ancient religion in our whole world. Traditionally, the Jains believe in the existence of 24 Tirthankaras. Rishabha was the first Tirthankara, whereas the Purushavanatha was the 23rd Tirthankara. Purushavanatha was born as a son of King Ashwasena in the 8th century. It is believed that he renounced all luxuries of his life and attained the immortality, and he renounced the society and became a hermit. And he preaches 4 principles for the peaceful life. Now let us see which are those 4 principles. The 4 principles preached by the Purushavanatha, they were the non-violence, truth, asatya. Asatya means not to steal. Aparigraha means not to own property. The 5th principle is Brahmacharya. It was taught by the Vardhaman Mahavira, and he was a 24th Tirthankara. Now let us move on. Vardhaman Mahavira 599 to 527 BCE. Vardhaman Mahavira was born in Kundali Grama in Vaishali, one of the republics. His father was Siddhartha and he was a king of Gandhara. His mother was Trishala Devi. She is a princess of Republic of Lichavi. At the age of 30, Vardhaman set out in the search of truth, renounced his family and house, and he wandered for 12 years in his quest and meditated. He was punished his body by fasting at the age of 42, and he achieved the enlightenment. Vardhaman controlled his sense and achieved the power over a comfort and pain. Due to this achievement, he came to be known as a Mahavir and became a Jaina. A Jaina was one who is overcome his senses and became a victorious. Although his followers are called as a Jains, Mahavira spent 30 years. The quest of his life was preaching his knowledge to the peoples around the Ganga and Yamuna river, and he traveled towards the West India and preaching his thoughts. He attained the Nirvana in his 72nd year in Pavapuri of Bihar. Vardhaman Mahavira was taught the 5 vows and the 3 principles of the behavior. They are now let us see the 5 vows. Those are the first one is non-violence, second one is truth, third one is asatya, fourth one is aparigraha, fifth one is brahmacharya. Now let us see the 3 principles are 3 ratnas are as follows. First one is samaya, second one is samayaka darshan, third one is Samayak Charitra. Now let us move on. Jainism does not reject the existence of God completely, yet they have advocated atheism. It denies the role of God in the daily of life or daily affairs of the people. It places the God at a lower level than the Jina. The Jains believe that the every animated or inanimated thing possesses a soul. They also believe that it is only through the purification of the soul that one can achieve the freedom from rebirth and attain the nirvana. The purification is possible through only the meditation, fasting, punishment of the body, and thereby the destruction of the body. This process is known as the Salekhana. The concept of karma is a very important aspect in the Jainism. According to this, the human being can attain the salvation only through a good and holy acts. To attain the enlightenment, the soul had to achieve the freedom from the bondage of the body. Now let us move on. Traditionally, we get to see two important sects among the Jainism. Those are called Shwetambaras and Digambaras. Those saints and their followers who wore white clothes, those are called as Shwetambaras. Whereas those saints, their followers, they do not wear any cloth. They are called as Digambaras. After the first Jain council, the preaching of Mahavira was completed in the 12 volumes. Those are called 12 Angs by the Jains. They are in the Prakrit language. On that time, the common people's language was Prakrit. Very earlier, a group of Jainas migrated to the south due to the feminine in Bihar and settled down in Shravanabelagola. Those even their Jainism spread and many works were written in Kannada also, and other languages are Telugu, Tamil, and the different languages they use. The famous Kannada poet called Pampa, Ranna, Jinna, and Punna were the Jains. Those are all related to the Jains. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this.